Can a friend or a passenger who's riding in your car sue you if you're involved in a car accident? Would you like to learn the answer? Come join me as I share with you this really important information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York personal injury trial attorney, and the answer is yes. If you are careless and get involved in an accident, the passenger, whoever it is, whether it's a friend, a family member, colleague, can turn around and sue you for claims of negligence and carelessness. They have the ability to bring a lawsuit against you and any other car or driver who they believe was also careless that may have contributed to the accident. Now, why is that possible? It's possible because in New York, everyone has the opportunity, if necessary, to bring a lawsuit seeking compensation for the injuries caused by somebody's carelessness. And you may turn around and say, but wait a second, he was my friend, or he was my coworker, and we were just going down the street to get a bite to eat, or he's a family member. How can they turn around and sue me? The reality is that we have insurance, and we're required in New York to carry a certain level of insurance for every one of the cars that we drive and operate. And there's a reason for that. So that if, God forbid, an accident does occur, now the insurance is designed to protect you and to help pay for the compensation, for the pain, for the suffering that the person has endured, as well as medical expenses and lost earnings that now they have incurred. Why? Solely as a result of the carelessness by either the driver, which may be you, or another person who may have caused or contributed to the accident. So the short answer is yes. The person who is in the car, who's a passenger, who is a colleague, a friend, or even a family member, has the ability and has a legal right to turn around and sue you as the driver of the car, as well as any other careless drivers who they believe caused or contributed to their injuries. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you because there have been people who have contacted me who said, listen, how is it possible that somebody who's riding in my car can now sue me even though I think I didn't really cause the accident? The problem is that an investigation has to be done to determine how did the accident happen. Were you partially at fault? If you were partially at fault, even just a little bit, the injured victim who now suffers as a result of this car accident has a legal right to bring suit against anyone that they believe is careless and caused or contributed to the accident. So why do I share this with you? I share it with you because it gives you a little bit of an insight and an understanding into what goes on when evaluating a car accident case here in the state of New York. You know, I recognize you probably have questions or concerns of your own involving your particular car accident or someone who may have been in the car with you at the time the accident happened. Well, as always, if you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at Oginski-law.com. Well, that's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski here in New York. Have a wonderful day.